Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of LinkedIn app and you will enter here in this page. As you see, here in this list of app info, we click on force stop and we click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.